What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everything Kyle. So today I have some great news. I'm very excited. I got something new that I can't wait to show you guys. A lot of people have done this before. They've shown this helmet. We all know about this helmet, but honestly, it's just something I've wanted for a long time, and I really wanted to get my hands on it to give my actual personal opinion on how it works and how I feel about it. And here she is. Without further ado. So I went with, I know, you've seen it plenty of times, but it's not an AGV, I'll tell you that. It is a Shoei x15. Like I said, I've wanted this helmet for a while, guys. I know people had this, there's plenty of reviews on it, but I just wanted to give my take, but screw it, since I bought it, I might as well do a review. So I'm already liking what I see here. Of course, with a $1,000 helmet, you would be getting the Shoei pin lock that comes with it, which is awesome. I decided to go with the X15 in color white. Oh yeah. Wow, she's actually nice and light. As we all know, Shoei is, it's just the top. It's the best it gets. You know, AGV, I like them, but don't forget, at the same time, I'm riding street most of the time. I'm not a track rider. I've never run on the track yet. If I did, at least I could take this helmet with me. But maybe if I got into track riding, that could be a possibility. I would actually maybe consider something different. But I like to have my music when I'm riding. I cannot ride without music. It makes it a million times better to me. When I'm rocking out with my headphones, it's the best feeling ever. That throttle and that music, you guys know what I'm talking about. And when I went to Cycle Gear, one of the guys that worked there, he, I forget what the helmet he said he was into for about 10, 15 years. You know, everybody's got a different head shape and helmets fit people completely different. So I understand, everybody's got their own thing. He recommended the HJC N1 or something like that. I tried it on, it wasn't that bad. It still had that squished face feel. We're supposed to have some support around our heads, obviously. It's weird because I'm a 7 1/8 when it comes to a fitted. And, you know, a fitted hat or something like that, so I would actually most likely be a medium. I feel like if I was a track rider, I would go for medium, but since I'm on and off all the time with the helmet and I'm riding street, I go large. I like to rock a large. So let's see what else is in the box. We have, looks like the bottom piece for the wind for under your chin, and then we got some plastics to block off the vents on the inside of the helmet. Some Shoei stickers, got a nice big fat manual here. It also came with this little oil, which I've never seen come with the helmet before. It's for the visor, I guess, to keep it lubed up. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to install this chin screen, and I'm going to throw my card up in it and check it out. So a windscreen fits in real nice on the bottom here, which I love. Honestly, my belt doesn't have it half as much as that does. It's about down here. So this should actually block a lot of wind noise. Also, when you're speaking to your friends, I threw the cordo on here. I did a stick on, so I wired her up, and she fits fantastic. So when I was at Cycle Gear, I was interested. I'm like, you know what? Let me check out the X15. So we brought down the helmet after I tried on the HJC, and I could not tell you how good I felt in this helmet. What I like about the Shoei is it feels like I have perfect support around my jaw area to the back of my head. The helmet is slightly resting on my head in a very good way. It is not too big for me. I can rock. I hardly have any movement. It feels perfect. Like, my Bell helmet feels really good, but a lot of helmets I try on give me a very squished face look, and honestly, this one doesn't at all. I have way more room. I love this helmet. You can just see the comfort. I'm completely comfortable. I might actually take a nap in this helmet. And then one thing I definitely noticed about the Shoei was I had crazy peripheral vision. I noticed a huge difference when it came to the visor. It's actually a lot wider than my belt is, so that right off the bat I noticed, like I said, how comfortable it was. I was thinking about it for 2 weeks straight, and I'm like, you know what? I want the X15. I was going to look into the KYT, you know, the ZX1, obviously the biggest thing in the world right now. Everyone's going nuts about it on social media, and I do want to try it out. They also don't stock it at Cycle Gear, but the second I put this Shoei on, I didn't even want to try on another helmet, to be honest with you, because I feel perfect in this. Nothing fits me better, I really gotta say. I was there actually to buy a white large helmet, but they had a black gloss medium in stock. So I said, you know what, let me try it. I put the black gloss medium on, and It fit well. I'm not gonna lie, it fit well, but it felt a little too tight, like the top of my head. You know what I mean? Like it not in a bad way, but I feel like if I was a track rider or MotoGP and I was going hardcore, I'd rock a medium just to know I got real deal safety. It's not coming off my head. This does not feel like it's going to come off in any way, shape, or form, and it's a lot more comfortable to take on and off. When I had the medium, it honestly felt like I was ripping my ears off a little bit every single time, and it was a little annoying, to be honest. I would not be happy putting that helmet on and off every single day, multiple times when it's a medium. It's like when it's on, you don't want to take it off. It's one of those things. So I ordered the white large as I wanted originally, and I am so happy I did, because not only do I love the way this helmet looks, but we all know that Shoei makes one of the best helmets. It fits amazing. It looks great. It does everything I needed to do. It has headphone pockets. It clicks up and down. It's a perfect street riding helmet on top of being a track riding helmet. It's got vents, as you guys can see, on the front right here. You got two here. It's closed, open, closed, open. And then you have two more vents on the bottom. They're closed right now, open, open. So I just got back from taking a ride with this thing. Why didn't I buy this right away? I'll definitely be getting another visor for it once that transitions, or I'm gonna go with maybe just a light smoke for now. I believe some of the regular visors there are, you know, 75 to 90 bucks, so that's not so bad. I love Shoei right now, to be honest. Best helmet I bought yet. Another thing I love about this helmet, I can keep this strapped and buckled, and when I put it on, it fits directly right under my chin. It still feels nice and tight. It's another thing that will keep you safe from it coming off. I hate unstrapping and strapping the helmet every time. It's very annoying. I like the fact that I can leave this strapped and it still sits very nice and perfect. It doesn't really affect me putting the helmet on or taking it off, and that's a huge thing as well. I'd say one thing about Shoei so far is perfection. Well, guys, it's the next day, and look what came in the mail. So we got the dark smoke screen. We're going to put it on the helmet right now. We're going to see how Shoei's visor system actually works and how easy it is to take this off. Oh, okay. I see how it comes off. It's a lot easier than I think it was. So let's check out the dark smoke screen. The pin lock's ready to go, so we'll be installing that as well. Guess we'll do that before we put it on. Well, guys, I hope you liked the unboxing. I hope you liked the review. I know you've seen a million on the X15 so far, but this is my take on my large white X15, and I give this helmet a 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching.